A very, very good morning, everybody. Can I get a little more noise? Very good morning, everybody. First of all, thank you to all the dignitaries right here. Ma'am, I've heard your speech and you're wonderful. And first of all, a very, very big thanks to VIPAP and to TEDx for having us here. My name is Tushara and I'm here representing my band, Tara, which will be performing very soon. And first of all, thank you for having me here. It's a pleasure and absolute honor. We all know how big TEDx is, and to be a speaker here is definitely a very big moment. And so yeah, we'll go forward. So I know that today's topic is unfolding possibilities, and I got into a music band when I was 19. It was something that I was very passionate about. I was always passionate about music. I come from a music family, so it was always my thing. But I was someone who was trained in Carnatic, but someone who always was very much interested in, rock music or pop music or Telugu songs. I'm sure everybody loves Telugu songs here, right? That's a very low cheer. Nice, okay. I'm sure we'll make you guys cheer up when we're performing anyways, but so as I was saying, I am someone who is very much in love with music, and I always wanted to collaborate with people when it came to music and stuff. But we all know how band scene is. So basically, because I'm from Hyderabad, I'd be talking something about from there. But at the same time, I know a lot of people, some of you might want to get into music streams, some of you might want to go into different streams. But all I am trying to say here is try to take the relevance from what I am talking based off your journeys. And I'm sure like my experience will not exactly replicate yours, but just try to take the relevance and try to connect it into your own journeys. So first thing that I am very proud of myself of doing was taking the opportunity, because I was 19 and I was someone who used to do recordings and stuff, and that was how I met my co-singer from the band. And I remember we started following each other on Instagram, and I used to watch like their stories of them performing on certain stages, and I used to think it was really cool, the dreams of a 19-year-old girl. But then I once messaged him. I was randomly talking and I was like, you know what, this is something that really interests me. Like how does it work, what do you do, how is it to collab, and how is it, what do you think of music and stuff like that. We started talking, and somehow we started talking in the morning, and the night I was in the band. So that's how lucky I was. But I'm extremely proud of myself for taking the opportunity, and that is what I'd like to tell everybody here. Opportunities don't come again and again, so you better take yours when it knocks your door. So you never know, and it might change your life. I mean, if I did not message him that day, I wouldn't be standing here talking in TEDx right now. So also thank you, a very big thank you to my band for letting me be the speaker here. And so that is one thing that I'd like to tell everybody. Take your opportunity when it comes. And so I'll talk about our band. So our band was formerly known as Avishkar, which started in 2019. Avishkar means creativity, and we were pretty creative with our music. And we all know how the band scene is. Generally when we think of a band, we think of, I don't know, AC/DC to One Direction to, I don't know, Beatles. We think of a lot of English bands, we think of a lot of Hindi bands. But I think it was around 2015, 2016 when this wave of bands started in regional states, and every state started having certain bands of their own. And now I don't even think I can stress enough how big the band industry is. So here we have a lot of Telugu bands, a lot of Hindi bands, and we are a band that performs cover songs. I mean, we are very soon going to make a lot of originals, and I request our band to, perform maybe a little of our original too today for you guys, especially. But, so basically we are a cover band. And we started in 2019, but last year we changed our name because there was a change of people. There was a change of people. We had some additions and some deletions, and hence we had to come with something new. And so that was how we started band Tara. And I'll tell you why the name came up, and what is the speciality of that name and everything very soon. At the same time, I'll tell you the major issue that comes within a band. and that is, say for example, our band, we are 7 people working together. We have 2 vocalists, 2 guitarists, 1 bass guitar and 1 normal guitar, and we have a keyboard player, we have a drummer, and we have a sound engineer. And each one of us has a different journey with music. So I am someone who comes from a music family. So our keyboard player is into full-time music. Our guitarist is someone who's into music as well as he's doing his IT job. And my co-singer Vishwa, he's someone who wants to become an aspiring filmmaker. He's an aspiring filmmaker and he wants to do films in the future. And everybody has a different story as to how they got into the band, and they have a different journey with music altogether. So we have different egos, we have different ego clashes. We all know that some of us know a lot in music and some of us don't know a lot about music, but we are 7 people who excel in what we're doing. So I think that is where the clashes come, that is where, a lot of discussions happen, a lot of arguments happen sometimes. We sometimes discuss on and off stage, sometimes we want to perform a song, sometimes we don't want to perform a song. But it all matters as to how you are once the show is done. Because you know that this is the same person who's been with me yesterday and the day before that. So it's all about cracking the deal where you know that this person is with me and he's working for the good of me by the end of the day. Nobody's trying to put you down or something. It's all about the collaboration and it's all about convincing each other, sometimes sacrificing your own ideas. So you need to know when to sacrifice, when to put your thoughts, and when to be strong about them, when to stand on them. So that is one more thing that I think is very important. Be it not just in a band, but in any collaborative process, be it in your projects in the future, be it in an IT market, or be it in your business, anywhere. I think once you're collaborating or once you're doing a partnership, it all comes to that, where you're trying to maintain your ego, you're trying to put a balance in between your thoughts and the opposite person's thoughts. And I think that's one thing at a very young age that I've tried to deal and try to learn after coming into the band, especially being the only girl in the band. Yeah, I think that also makes me feel very special, so I would not complain about that. And I think that is where a lot of bands can't deal. I think a lot of bands split up, a lot of bands break up at this point because of certain ego clashes. Some people think they're superior, some people try to dominate the others, and that is where the ego clashes happen generally. I think we have come a long way, we withstood all of that, and now we are 7 people together. And I'm sure that for a lot more years we'll be together. And because I think we are more like family now rather than friends, like today, I mean, we've traveled all the way from Hyderabad to Amaravati, we've come here together and we'll be here together, we'll be going back together, and we have a show in the evening again. So I think it's more or less like family right now. So I think that is the relationship that you'd want to build. And yeah, you need to be very, very, very patient with your work. You need to be patient. Sometimes you don't get the money, sometimes you don't get your work. You need to just keep meeting each other, and you have to just, working together, and eventually you'll end up at the place that you have to be. And also, I'd want to talk about the USP of our band, that is the unique selling point of Tara specifically. I think there are lots of bands in Hyderabad. You'll see about 100 bands right now. Every musician is now getting into a band. But I think what is special about Tara is how we adapt the song into the music, into our song, making it our song, even though we're doing it as a cover, within a limitation of 4 instruments. So I hope we get to inspire people like you by performing today and showing us how bands work. And that is why I think of all the people, this will be very useful to you, to know the pros and cons of a band. But anyways, one needs to know why they're getting into a band. Are you coming here for money? Are you coming here to do business? Are you coming here for your bread and butter? Or are you coming here for a collaboration? Are you coming here to make your original content? Are you coming here to show the world what you've got for passion, or for just work because you can do it? There are multiple reasons as to why people get into bands and do what they're doing. And I hope you first get to know that and be truthful to yourself, be truthful to what you're doing, and I think that is how you'll end up being your best, giving your best on stage, off stage, wherever, whatever you're doing. Because as I said, like, one of us is an IT employee, one of us, I myself am studying, one of us is an aspiring filmmaker, but still we're all together as a band, and you'll anyways very soon see how we are together as a band. So every singer, every musician's dream is to, be on stage one day, on this really big stage in front of thousands of people as your audience, cheering your name, and where you want to be under the spotlight and sing in front of the crowd and make the crowd sing along with you. That's everybody's dream. I remember in my childhood, standing in front of the mirror with a perfume bottle in my hand, thinking of it as my award or a mic, and thanking audience for the award. It's just, I think everybody does it at some point. And I think to get there, but I mean, as I said, now the reason that I'm standing here is because I made the choice 2 years ago to make that message to my co-singer as to, can I get into a band? And I think that is the main point. For every end, there is a start. And you guys, whoever it is, no matter what you're doing, be truthful to what you're doing and start it right now. Doesn't matter if you're with the right people, doesn't matter if you're with the right surroundings. Do something. Take one step at a time. Do what you want to do. Start it. And I think that is what we did. We were also once one of those people, just sitting in the crowd, looking at other people do what they love. And the only reason why we came up till here is because we started it. We started doing what we wanted to do. And I think that is one thing that I would suggest everybody for 100 times. Start what you want to do. Don't take breaks, don't postpone, don't keep postponing what you want to do. And also, as I said, I'll make a point as to why we named our band Tara, because it was formerly Avishkar. That's because we believe that there are many superstars out there. There are bands outside which may be performing better than us, which may charge higher than us, which might do more number of shows than us. But they might all be superstars, but we are stars too, and we are some aspiring stars who want to get there. And every one of you here is a star, and everyone has some or the other talent that you can achieve, something in you, that spark is always there, and it's only waiting to be seen. And there's not much time left for you to go there. So it is to believe that everybody is a star, and everybody is somewhere in the process of becoming a superstar. So some of our quotes are written by my co-singer, and I'd love to read that. So there are many aspiring stars too, like so many of you. We started as one of you guys, but didn't stop at just dreaming. But we built the stones together, trying to reach out there. So that's it. We are Band Tara for you, and we hope this makes sense to at least some of you, not just to dream, but to pursue. Thank you so much, guys. This is Tushara signing off from Band Tara, and we will be very soon performing for you guys.